Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to register a 3M XT-1H or XT-1 headset to a XT base station. So here's how we do it. First, what you need to do is look at the base station and press the mode key. It will ask for the password login, which is 1234 1234, and then you hit mode again, and it gives you the user ID equals 1, which is correct, and then you keep on pressing the mode, keep on pressing until you get the system menu. And from the system menu, you choose option 4 by clicking the right arrow and then hitting enter, and click on add new headset and then hit enter again. And from this point, it's self-explanatory. You simply power on the headset and it should automatically register. So here we have a headset which we are going to power on. This is the power button, by the way. You press it. So you see the green light flashing. As soon as the green light flashed red, there you go, that's when the registration is complete. So right now the registration on this is complete. So I just hit the exit, which is this button, a couple of times, and I should be good to go. So I am back to normal, which is the date and time, and this unit is registered to that base station, and we are good to go. I hope this video was educational, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.